Howdy, y'all. Seems that yesterday I posted a video and a troll called me a Jethro. So today I'm a Jethro. So welcome to the Jethro Show. Today we're going to be cooking up some vittles on this here griddle. I am a Southern boy via the Hoosier State, now living on the left coast, but it's the first time I've been called a Jethro, and how original. Really makes me wonder, the trolls just coming out of everywhere now. The more popular the show gets, the more the trolls pop up. Anyway, enough of this here gabbing about trolls. Let's get back to the vittles. I don't know what we got. I just grabbed random stuff out of the fridge. Well, it's not quite true. We've got, what we got? Some oven roasted turkey. We've got some roast beef. We've got some bread so we can make a sandwich. Carnation. The griddle's turned down to the lowest. Ooh, listen to the cool sound. And we're going to use ranch as our bread instead of butter or mayo. Maybe. I'm running out. See if I can get this here stuff bread. Maybe. Huge noise. We don't have many neighbors, but there's a lot of construction going on at one or two of them. Everybody wants to live in the Jethro neighborhood. Okay, we got mission accomplished. We have ranch dressing. So let's chop down some bread. We have, instead of regular cheese, I picked up some fancy BLT dressing the other day from a fancy one of them there highfalutin stores. And by itself, I wasn't too impressed with it as a griddled cheese sandwich. So I figured, let's see what happens if we add some meat. That's right, Baja. I also had another troll complain because I picked up the dog's ball and then touched my sandwich. Said I was nasty. Maybe it's not that hygienic. And if I went and grabbed your dog's tennis ball, that would really be nasty. Uh-oh. But, and I reckon if I'm gonna have me some kind of National Food Network show like the Jethro show, I shouldn't ought to be doing things like that. I should ought to be wearing gloves once in a while. Here's the spread, by the way. I should ought to pay more attention to their hygienic rules. You can take the boy out of the country, but you just can't take the country out of the boy. I admit it, I'm ashamed of myself. I should not have been doing that. I'm trying to learn better. I could just kick the ball instead of picking it up. I can wear gloves. I have to get some gloves. I got my farming gloves. I got my gardening gloves. I got my biker gloves. Done sure ran out of rubber gloves when the apocalypse hit. Anyway, this here is a toasted sandwich that ain't coming off the dad burn spatula. There we go. This here is a griddled turkey breast, slow roasted roast beef with BLT spread sandwich. And I don't know if I'm wasting your time trying it in front of you or not. I can tell you it's pretty hot. Don't you wish your sandwich was hot like mine? I know you do. Not bad. Not bad. It's a lot better as a filler than it is a griddled cheese. So that's what we got today. Let you look one more time. Woo! Boy, howdy, that's good. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope I ain't wasted your time too bad. And we'll see you next time, unless I done bored you too much. But y'all come back now, you hear? Bye!